Today we are going to continue the spring cleaning, and I'm focusing on two areas of the home, the laundry room and also our guest bedroom, specifically the linen closet. And I'm also going to be sharing a few of the organizational items we launched in our QVC collection that's out now, so check it out. I will put a link in the description. Your support means so much, so thank you for everyone who's checked it out already. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So in the guest bedroom, we have our linen closet, and everything is sort of stuffed in there right now. It's pretty embarrassing, but it's just a bunch of blankets, sheets, and I definitely needed to get around to organizing it. Now, when we were designing our collection for QVC, I really wanted some specific organizational items, and this was the first on my list because when it comes to my linen closet, I have all of these extra blankets, down comforters, pillows, things that need to be put away in the spring and the summer when we're not using them. But then I don't like to use bins or a huge large basket because then it takes up space in the winter when these things are in use. So these come in a nesting set of 3. So 3 different sizes when you get these. Each holds up to 30 pounds. As you can see, I am putting plenty of blankets in here. So this is gonna work great for blankets, down comforters, pillows, extra sheets. Also, if you're gonna be putting away some of your more heavy-duty winter clothing, this is gonna be great for organizing your closet. I wanted to choose colors that I felt would be classy in most homes. So we have our gray chevron color set, we have our marble color set, and also our sage set. That color was inspired by our garden. They do come in a set of 1 color, but you can mix and match the color. You can get multiple sets and use them throughout your home to keep your closets organized. So today we're sticking with a little bit of a theme here, linens, towels, and laundry room. I'm gonna be organizing my laundry room. I'm starting with some glass containers, and I'm gonna be organizing some of my laundry detergent and products. So I worked with this company, Drops. I feel like it's been almost a year now on my channel, and I was introduced to them that way, and then I became a paying customer because I love their products. I love that it comes in this compostable box. I love the scents that they offer, and it's just a really great product. So this is not sponsored, but I just wanted to give an update, and I will try to find the code. Also, I got these fantastic labels from Amazon. They're so pretty and simple. It comes with a pack of tons of labels for all over the house, so I'm gonna put these on the glass jug that I got for the liquid detergent and also for the pods. Sometimes if I run out of detergent pods, I do go for the convenience and get liquid detergent from my local store. I try to stick with the cleaner ingredient options, but my preference is to order from companies like Drops because they are incredible and I love what they're doing. But I'm gonna pour the liquid detergent in this jug. They have a half gallon and a full gallon available on Amazon, and it also comes with a pump. I will have all the links in the description box so you can check that out and find it there, but I will also add it to my Amazon storefront. I do have my dryer balls that I got from my Grove Collaborative box, and I have had those for a while. I like to use those with essential oils, and I'm going to put those in a glass container as well. I felt like this was a really simple solution to a cluttered laundry room. My space is pretty limited. I'm working with a small space, so I don't like to have a bunch of different products and plastic bottles. I also have my cleaning cloths, my microfiber cloths, so I'm going to put those in these baskets that are also a part of our QVC collection. We definitely wanted to have this as a part of our collection because it's pretty much a must-have in my house. These come in a set of 2 nesting baskets, and I use them literally everywhere. They come in 2 different colors. I really love the gray color, and they're really well made. They're really beautiful and sturdy. So I'm going to put the microfiber towels and our just normal cleaning towels in one. I put clean mop pads in the other basket, and those baskets are gonna go in my laundry room cabinet. I'm also gonna use my cleaning caddy. I made sure to label my all-purpose cleanser. I made this recently in my spring, I think it was my spring finishing touches video. So I love the little changes in the laundry room to make it a little bit more minimalistic. I also wanted to get started on organizing our other linen closet that holds our towels and also some of our paper goods like toilet paper and paper towels.
There are lots of options when it comes to organizing a home. I personally love the classy elegance of a well-made woven basket. And like I said, I use them everywhere. So I use them in the bathroom for organizing some of my hair tools. I also mixed and matched the colors and used them almost kind of like drawers here in this open area of my coffee table, just for sort of throw and go, things that end up in the living room, video game accessories, cords, toys, dog toys, all of that. And I think they look gorgeous, but they're functional as well. These are super simple ways that I was able to accomplish my goal of cleaning out the linen closets, cabinets, and the laundry room. We do have some new products dropping in the next few weeks, and then a whole new collection dropping at the end of the summer. You can help us continue to grow by following us on Instagram, where I give updates on not only our property, our animals, our garden, and everything that's happening, but also all of the upcoming launches with QVC.
I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video and these simple tips that I share from my home to yours. If you like my channel, please be sure to subscribe and also leave a comment below letting me know what types of videos you like to see. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Have a good day.